abana 35 and more kwangathi manje seniyacela ukuthi uma singakhela imisebenzi nenikwe ipension hayibo akunawulunga lokho.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthembise abantu boqungweni kwaZulu-Natal ukuthi indilo zabo uzwile kanti uzoziphendula khona duze nje.
The evidence does not support the allegation that the president's financial interest in game or cattle farming at Phala Farm exposes him to any situation involving the risk of a conflict.
Umjaphethe womvikeli womphakathi umhlambululile umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa endabeni yeplasi lakhe lePhala.
Getting all the support I can get from my teammates and also working together as a team so that we can be able to achieve whatever we want to achieve.
Umbanduli wabanyana uDesiree Ellis usalibambe ngakuye ihelo labadlali bakhe ayokuthoma ngabo nabaqalane neSweden emdlalweni wokuthoma webhigiri yephasi nge-23 zenyanga ezako le. Baba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesiNdebele Lochani. Umjaphethe womvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Kholeka Gcaleka umhlambululile umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ensolweni zokuphula umthetho wokuziphatha kuyinokucabhela umsebenzi womthetho sisekelo. Ugcaleka wethule umbiko obuyako ngephenyo elimalungana nensolo zokumangalelwa kwakamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngesehlakalo sokutholakala kwemali emadola weAmerica eplasini iPhala eLimpopo ngo-2020.
Ngano zepolitiki iDA kunye neATM zafaka isibawo kumvukelo umphakathi ukuthi aphenye insolo zokumangalelwa kwakamengameli malungana nokwephula imithetho yokuziphatha kwengikhulu zembusweni namkha ukuthi ngakhani kunalapho kuchayisana khona ukusebenza ngebhizinisi yakhe kunye nomsebenzi wakhe wangokomthetho sisekelo. Ugcaleka uthi lezi insolo azinafakazi obusisekelo esiqinileko. Uthi nanyana athola ukuthi umengameli uRamaphosa nguye yedwa umphathi weNdaba nyoni ekuyikhampani ephethe iplasa leya kodwa nakuvelile ukuthi akusuye osebenza ngokupheleleko ekurageni imisebenzi yePhala ngombana inomphathi kunye nabasebenzi abama-40. Ugcaleka ufakazele akuveze embikweni wakhe wokuthoma awukhuphe ngenyanga uNdaka.
The evidence does not support the allegation that the president's financial interest in game or cattle farming at Phala Farm exposes him to any situation involving the risk of a conflict between his official responsibilities and his private interests. Accordingly, the allegation that the president improperly and in violation of the provisions of the Executive Code exposed him to any risk of a conflict between his constitutional duties and obligations and his private interests arising from or affected by his alleged paid work at Phala Farm is not substantiated.
Walokha umkhandlu wevikeleko lombuso uArthur Fraser nguye owavulela umengameli amacala la ngomnyaka opheleleko amsola ngokubhalelwa kuvula icala lokuphulwa nokwetshiwa kwepahla eplasini iPhala.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa namalunga wakhe wecabinet namhlanje bavakatshele isifunda ngehlelo likamengameli lokukhambela imfunda ezweni lonke ngaphasi kwepresidential imbizo.
Lihlandla lesifunda saKwaZulu-Natal bona sililela umengameli ngalokho abakuhlogako. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kunye namanye amalungu ecabinet akhe bavakatshela uqingweni ngaphasi kwesingi sothukela ukuyokuzinililo zezakhamuzi. Hlangana nokhuni izakhamuzi ezilile ngakho yindaba yendlela ezingakhambeki kona kunizulu amanzi isorigin nokhunye.
Nginenkinga thene wa13 emalotha sihlushwa inetwork bakwethu kade sizama sicela ukuthi basifakele inetwork asinayo kanti nomgaqo asinawo imvula minetha imoto akhona ungena ama ambulance asalale etiyeleni kwaDanpha la ekuthina omsikhona so it's about 30 minutes ukuya emakhaya ambulance ayingeni bakwethu siyahlupheka ngomgaqo akuhambeki.
Sixakekile kuvukeni ulwazi lonke usizi lwethu wawungena uyibona inkinga zethu siswela amanzi isiwa iphuma phakathi endlini ngosinki akukho kusashintshile ba appoint abantu ukuthi bezolungisa izinto zamapayipi but till today akuphelile lento yedamu lalapha eFoma Iindaba till today akukho kwenzakalayo okwesiwa akukho kwenzakalayo.
Umengameli naye kube khona kuchoko.
Yes mfowethu Ndlovu ungikhumbuzile ukuthi ngeke ngafika sakhuluma ngesurage macingwana ubhizi ngayo nangesibhedlela uMinister Phahla uyichazile nange-FET College nayo leyo sizoyibheka kahle ukuthi i-FET College ngoba ziyadingeka i-FET colleges ukuthi zingaba khona kuphi nakuphi na.
Izakhamuza KwaZulu-Natal mhlapha nje zisahlela izulu elikhamba namawuruwuru kanti nasiyemoyeni imbizo lebe isaraga.
Ngqongqoshe wezenjiwa namandla uGwede Mantashe uqinisekisa amaSouth Africa bona ngemva kwamakhetho omnyaka ozako angeke basayizwa into ebizwa ngokuthi iqindeliswa kwegezi. uMantashe ubekhuluma embizweni yehlangano yabosomabhizinisi abanzima.
uMantashe utshela inthunywa bona iyabonakala indima abayikhambako.
It must talk to justice, it must talk to people, it must talk to communities. The West wants us to be encircled. When you are encircled, you don't think you are a conveyor belt of other people's ideas. That's what developed economies want. They want us to be encircled and be just conveyor belt of their ideas.
Ube wabuka nomsebenzi owenziwe ngungqongqoshe wezegezi uHosiyentu Ramokhupa wathi khona duze nje uzokubonakala umkhanyo wawo. Wathi amakhetho wangomnyaka ozako azabe angayo lendo yokuqindeliswa kwegezi.
Now, with the progress made thus far in this regard, coupled with work done to add more energy to the grid, we are confident that we will see an end to load shedding sooner than anticipated.
Nezinye inkhulu zenhlangano zepolitiki bezikhona.
University UNISA ithi ikhuphe isihlathululi mezwi sesithathu isihlathululi mezwi esibonakala sithokozelwa abafundi.
Leli lihlelo elisungulwe yiUNISA ekubingwe ngalokuthuthukisa ifundo ngamalimi ahlukahlukeneko.
We want people to understand each other's language so that they can understand the background, the history and the beliefs of other cultures.
Uprofessor Ngwebe uthi enyangeni wendathu ezidlulileko ubuka isekelo lenhlathululi mezwi abalitholileko esikolweni sokufundisa iNational Institute of Humanities and Social Sciences. Abanye abosolwazi belimi babuka umsebenzi omuhle wenziwe euniversity lemi. Ungwebe uthi amahlelo ajengalela azokuhlumisa ngelwazi lifundo kiwo wonke umuntu uhuluphelela ukwakha ikusasa elihle ngefundo.
SABC News sidosela umtato nangabe unomhlala wendaba. Indaba ukusiluma indlebe namkha indaba ezintsinyako emphakathini wankenu. Ngasidosela umtato ku 011 714 6133 namkha usi-emailele ku news@sabc.co.za. SABC News phimbo lakho isijamele ayithatha ihlangothi.
Nasibuya entolo.
When I give you 100 rand, must be come back with another 50 rand on top. It must be 150. So I have 117 customers.
Njengombana abantu abaningi balila semali nje abamachonisa bona bahleka kuvelela umhlathi ngombana bayenza imali. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 numbers khambe kazi zisekhona. Khumbula bona nazikuphundele kwindaba ezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube uthi SABC indaba zesiNdebele. Umkhiqizo weSouth Africa ophumako ubalelwa ku 485 billion rands ekoteni yokuthoma yomnyaka kutsho ungqongqoshe wezehwebo namabubulo uIbrahim Patel. Embalweni lezi zitshengisa bona uyanda umkhiqizo weSouth Africa oyangaphandle.
Uqoqosho loMzantsi Afrika luphansi koxinezelelo njengoko lusokola ukuveza amathuba emisebenzi. Kangangokuba iqondo lentswela-ngqesho likumyinge ongaphezulu kwama-30 ekhulwini. Nakuba kunjalo kukho ithemba njengoko amanani orhwebo ebonisa ukuba uMzantsi Afrika ufumene ingeniso yangaphandle edingekayo emva kokuthumela impahla kumazwe angaphandle kwiinyanga ezintathu zokuqala zalo nyaka. IChina, iMelika, iJamani, iJapan kunye neIndia ngamazwe aphambili uMzantsi Afrika othengise impahla kuwo. Ezinye zezimpahla zithunyelwe kumazwe angaphandle zezecandelo lezimbiwa eziquka i-iron ore namalahle kunye neziqhamo kwicandelo lezolimo. Icandelo lemveliso lona lithumele iimoto kulamazwe.
Why exports are so important for South Africa is because every billion rands worth of exports that we sell to the rest of the world creates jobs here in South Africa.
Ngaxeshanye ngeli xesha elilizwe lithenge impahla efikelela ku-455 yeebhiliyoni zeerandi. Amazwe ekuthengwe kuwo aphambili yiChina, iJamani, iMelika, iIndia kunye neUAE. UMzantsi Afrika uthenge iimoto, oomatshini kunye nemveliso zombane phakathi kwezinye. Iqela le-DA lithi kuyacaca kulamanani ukuba iRussia asilo lizwe eliphambili elirhwebelana noMzantsi Afrika kwaye oku kuthetha ukuba urhulumente kufuneka aqaphele angagrogrisi amazwe arhwebelana nawo ngenxa yembono yawo kungquzulwano phakathi kweRussia neUkraine.
It's very important that the minister is careful and guarded in what he says, and that he also ensures that other ministries toe the line in what they say.
Patel uthi ngoku bagxile ekwandiseni urhwebelwano nelizwekazi iAfrika. Dinglulama Matya weendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
AmaSewula Afrika aragela phambili nokugandeleleka nakuza ezemali kanti nemiholo nayo ayikhutshulwa nezinga lokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi liphezulu khulu kanti nesibalo esikhuphukayo sabantu abanamarekhodi angasimahle wezemali sitsho bona abantu abaningi abakhona ukuboleka imali emabhanka.
Any financial institution that needs to enter into the money lending system needs to go through the national credit regulator if it's not a bank. So stokvels have been recognized by the national regulator to play a role of lending among themselves.
Intokfela zibiza imali elinganiselwa ku-50 billion yamaranda. Ngokuya kwe-Old Mutual kunentokfela ezizinkulungwane ezimakhulu abunane eSouth Africa. Sekumnyaka intokfela zisetshenziswa ukudlula imali angenabudisi. Kodwa njengoba izinto sezibiza kangaka nje sekubudisi bona imali umuntu ayiholako imbambe bekuphela inyanga. Abantu abaningi nje sebangenela intokfela ukwenzela bona bakwazi ukuboleka imali kizo nababethekileko.
I would certainly encourage people who find themselves cash strapped or under debt review to start exploring alternative streams of income, to find a way to have a passive income.
Njengoba nabathengi baragela phambili nokulinga kulusana nokukhuphuka kwentengo juguluko imali yenithuthi zomphakathi nendleko abantu selebeza nezinye indlela zokuziphilisa. Isiqhema samalunga womphakathi weKatlehong ekuruleng eMpumalanga yeJohannesburg beza nendlela zokusiza abathengi abadose emhlweni.
We started this stokvel to make sure that each and everyone, even if they don't have the enough money, but they become participant in making sure that they are participants in the township economy.
Amastokfela athonywa ngehloso yokusiza imindeni ebhutshweleyo kodwa indingo zabathengi zichuguluka nesikhathi yeke amalanga la amastokfela sekasetshenziswele izinto ezihlukahlukeneko kanti njengoba namaSouth Africa aragela phambili nokufunana nezinye indlela zokuziphilisa ebujameni bomnotho obumbi kangaka basazongena khudlwana ngengikhwameni njengoba umnotho wenarha ulindeleke bona ukhule nge-0.35% umnyaka lo.
Abantu abaningi bagandelelekile naziza endabeni yemali ngisho nanyana inyanga iphelile sekuyafana kibo kodwa nabomachonisa bona bahleka kuvelela umhlathi abantu abakhona ukuyokuboleka imali embhanka ngenxa yemthetho yakhona eqinileko yokubolekisa kanti abaningi amagama bawo asimahle encwadini zenkwelede ngelimi elijayelekileko lesiyeni kuthiwa ba blacklisted. Igama elithi machonisa alisemthethweni ngekubizwa ngalo umuntu obolekisa ngemali.
Isakhamuzi seJohannesburg sekumnyaka esithandathu siboleka abantu abadose emhlweni imali bona baziphilise. Sekangena ihelweni elikhulako labomachonisa elizweneli elisebenza ukuboleka abantu imali. Le yindlela yakhe yokuzondla nomndeni wakhe emnothweni obogabogako kunye nokuhlayela kwamathuba omsebenzi. Wathoma ibhizinisi nge-R2000 kanti seyimenzele i-R30,000. Iningi labantu ababoleka imali kuye ngabahlala lokutshini leCosmos City ehlagwini Jingalanga eJohannesburg.
My entrance is too much because it's 50%. When I give you R100, must be come back with another R50 on top. It must be 150. I have 117 customers. Every month, actually by 15, by 1st of the month and end of the month and Sasa time, yeah, something like that. Sometimes they don't have money for transport for the kids. Sometimes they don't have food in the house.
Ngokuya ngomthetho welizwe wokubolekisa imali amakonyana imali ebolekisiweko nakuqala imali inzalo yakhathesi uthi umbolekisi ngemali angabhadelisa umuntu imali edlula 31% ngomnyaka. Kanti njengombana abantu bangahlala bangambhadeli umashonisa kungaba njalo ubathathela amakarada embhanka namkha wisasa. Umashonisa lo uyazi bona kufanele azihlolise njengombolekisi imali osemthethweni kodwa uthi umthlago ngiwo menze bona aqine sekangena ibhizinisi le.
I'm running business. I can't say no, I can't give you money. I have to give them, so I'm going to benefit there. So even if you want to go to play casino machine or some cards, you need money from me. That's none of my business. As long as I know where you stay, I will give you money to make whatever you want.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze bona uthini umbono wakho ngokuthi abantu bathina balela ngemali abomashonisa bona bahleka kuvele lo mhlathi. Naku umbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
Selesiya kumashonisa sisiwa mhlako na ufika kwabaza kuhlekisa ukuthi uthatha imali engasakhona ukuyibhadela ukudlula kumatawu mathutawu nasele bayifuna la awu ungathengisa nefurniture wakalisa nabantwana akusahlekiwa njalo ni
ngathana kungaba nama workshop lapho bafundiswa khona ngokonga imali ngoba nathina sikhona ukubona kuma website la kunywa khona ngabo investment abo budget.
Into enza ukuthi abantu bagcine baye kumashonisa sokuthanda utshwala besikhathi lakhe liyokuhlala kumashonisa sekhola umashonisa uye wazi ukuthi ebhanka ngene imali.
Indaba umashonisa isimnandi mkhatsha sikhalime khulukhulu ebantwini abatsha izwisa ibuhlungu khulu ukuthi umuntu omutsha umtelo yobumashonisa.
Abantu baphelile emsakazo womashonisa abanye baba ama-ID yabo awasabuyi.
Cha wonqondo kusho umuhle kuya kumashonisa ukuyiphindisela emuva nje.
Ayikho into esingayenza asina choice uyasiphoqa ukuthi siye khona kumashonisa ngoba amaholo esiwaholayo awekho aphelela ezandleni.
Unlike emabhenki usazoya mniningwane imtanti wathi uphinde ufeyile kanti mashonisa into yamanje noma bembe eqolo bakithi naba zabe sicabangela phela bekusigabhula kangaka bo hayibo.
Uyabona ke mina noma ngane inkinga engakanani ngeke uzongibona kamashonisa.
Iba inkinga msakazi kakhulu abo mashonisa msakazi. Mase befuna imali yabo futhi bakulanda endlini.
Standard of living sibi kakhulu kodwa kuyadinga ukuthi engathi ungaba yindoda enesithunzi uma ubolekisa ngalezi imali.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Umnyanya owaziwa nge-Iindaba Lowveld National Festival ubuyile ngemva kokujama eminyaka emithathu. Umnyanya lo utshengisa hlangana nokhunye umvumo kanti ulasta amalanga amathathu. Uhlangana nokhunye kunobugwali, kunomdlalo wetshachalazi, kunamahlaya. Umnyanya lo uba nomthelelo omuhle khulu emnothweni wedorobha leMbombela nesiyingini sehlanzeni.
Ibuyili Iindaba lithabo lodwa ngefestival esibhure dumileko le.
I'm just here for the music in general. I enjoy all the music and all the artists.
Nabo somabhizinisi bakuthabela ukubuya kwayo.
We do all the big festivals and Iindaba is a very good one for us and yeah, we come back every year. We make good money here every year.
Ifestival le yokuphela ngoSondo.
Kanti ke zemali iranda liyabogaboga nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Umbanduli banyana uDesiree Ellis uthi angekhe aveze ihelo labadlali bakhe ayokuthoma ngabo nabaqalana neSweden emdlalweni wokthoma webhigiri yephasi nge-23 zenyanga ezakule.
Abadlali baka Ellis kuzokufanele bakhiphe ikhono labo lonke nabaqalana neBotswana ngosonto emidlalweni wobungani. U-Ellis uthi kuzokufanele babalekele ukwenza imichapho ekundleni. Ufisa engathana bangenza abazenza ngomnyaka ophelileko ukubuya nebhigiri le eNew Zealand neAustralia.
The competitive nature comes with wanting to be in the starting lineup. Because I'm sure when you go to the World Cup, you don't just want to be sitting on the bench. You want to make sure that you start, and I think that is where the competitive edge is going to come.
Umbethi Makondelo wangesikhathi banyana ithumba iWAFCON ngomnyaka ophelileko. Uthi usalindele ukwenza adume ngazo.
I believe that I am capable of anything. So it's about me being myself and also getting all the support I can get from my teammates and also working together as a team so that we can be able to achieve whatever we want to achieve.
Ibanyana iya ibhigirini yephasi nokuyozihlolisela indawo phakathi kwehelo lengiqhema ezibanga ukusingatha ibhigiri lengo 2027.
It would be nice for us to host the World Cup in Africa. It will be the first African country to host the World Cup, creating opportunities, job opportunities for our people.
Ufikile esiqhemeni nombethi Makondelo oyindandokazi odlala eAmerica, uThembi Khatlana.
Ziyabuya kusasa eThekwini KwaZulu-Natal. Umphako uzabe ungadliwa umntwana i-7 July. Akhe nipula amehlo ngenithombe zakhona. Nibe nepela veke emnandi nephephileko.